What, Johnny? Johnny? Firefox.
One thing now, me on the problem. Me on the problem.
Yeah, man, crowd of people top of morning, you know, man. Yeah, than a bread, you know, man. Warriors them out, you know, man. All AK, man have right strap on back like a rifle. But, oh, man. Yo, lock your bag. Lock your bag. I last time you go down so you catch two. You go catch two fine. You go tell people, boy, you strap me up, you beat me. With two look fine. Pay Kanga Tony. Yeah, man. Long time when you not see the great junta, you know, man.
Yeah, man, outside today, man, you see. The breeze out there. But we are going to try something today.
Pilot man up a front, man, no want to show him face, you know, car. Torture, you know. No pilot, no safe today. Yeah, no pilot, no safe today. Yeah, man, people, we out up on another epic adventure, man. Yeah, and a broad bless up on yourself, you know, man. Today a torture, you know. You hear, peeps? Like how you see me there on a farm, you know, me I beat them bad, you know. So when they see rat them roll out them afraid, you know. Yeah? Yeah, man, people, just so go and keep it locked, man. You see what I say? 1-7 boss, bless up yourself, you know, my dad. You know it come down, don't? Heart of love, man. Yard and abroad. Firefox.
One thing now, me on the problem. Me on the problem. That's all the one of the problem. Like the company back row when we can't see. That's it. Oh, the celebrate. See, our next Monday, I'll have to do man that the man's front that won't be knowing up.
Yeah, man, people. DJ Kids say I pull up a foot too. You see me?
Poor like them a man a yard. Who a poor like them a man a trap door this box. No, it's not. Get me look at thing them.
Yeah, man, I
move out, you see it? Like the sexy girl Rochelle. Put the camera up on her, man.
Yeah, so Fox spend fee figure catch pilot, you know. Yeah, boy, pilot think
me, I want no problem, you know. Me, I want no problem.
No worry, man.
No worry with yourself.
When you reach out there, we know.
No worry with yourself. Yeah, bro. I sure we can't get to a real like that.
Which side you want them?
What you want on, so?
I know.
You know, a Rochelle place is to get every line, every hook, every sink, all lower seller. You know? What them the boat tile and then something there?
Find this one I have some 1 feet.
You know?
1 foot?
Yeah. 1 foot. Find this one.
Yeah, man, hook everything the boy, you know, man.
Man, I go to bar at
Wow. Can't sell you 2 bar hook in my box. You know? Boom, mom, let me borrow line, you know. Daddy Randy there. You don't know a thing come down, you know, man. No joke.
And I say, you can't, any man you can't go give and show him, say, I say, you go borrow line and tell us, say, I eat that fox. And I say, you go borrow line, man.
Don't worry about that line.
You have to twist it on this one.
You don't tell me what you twist it. You don't tell me what you twist that.
Again, I'm putting.
More room, I like that.
Why I tell me say walk what when I come and they can't find the shoes. Yeah, mega check out passport and
The works of fire, brother. Every man have to dep on scene, bro.
Every man have to do it. One spot. That
For
means
this, sir.
everybody have a fair chance to He said yes. So, then suppose me can't tell you, say boy, I buy, you no go buy that they blow out.
Hey, we not see. Then say them video.
Don't it? Where you video them? We don't get no video.
Junior, come in, can show we video you catch a moonshine snapper there. Come man, you want to see it, you know? Cause man, you say buy, you no buy that the moonshine snapper there, you know, and I come and trick people about catch. When you no reach out there, so. Fox I buy, you buy. You have no big man thing. You have no big man thing. I buy it still, you know.
Right now, Fox can't talk. When he come and see that, he say, boy, Johnny, you ain't no money. So I say, what go on, Fox? I say, boy, them boy betting. I say, first man catch a moonshine snapper the year. I get 2 grand from every man. So when he see him, I say, yo, want my 2 grand right now. Yeah, we picture up on the phone and see him, man. Take
well, you don't do it today then.
Alright.
Active in a bro, Jay.
You say an idea, yeah?
Yep. Yeah, you know I think that today you don't have to do it, man.
Alright. Now look out.
Show on the skills.
You know what? Tell you about me, really. Might be on a friend if you see when we take up a moonshine snapper today, you know. So some man can go and talk about say I buy me buy. That's just a fact. Oh, big man say something now, man. Let me turn on back your phone, you know, pa. Back on the phone, you know.
Yo!
You want to write just a man. You dog there. What's game? I want to know when I'm out the last time.
Man say make sure none of you know. Today, no.
Yo, this is why I'm on. Yo.
Jump. Next block, this you know, man. The cold. After him. I want to do my friend, dog. Friend and I'm talking to them.
I'm Fox and Brad today, man. And Julie can't take the inside.
Boy, if you don't want to put on it on a team, we can put it as a team, you know, brother. You want to kick in your face, you know.
Alright then, and Julie want to kick Fox out at this right there.
You want to kick in your face.
At this right there.
For that, me no video nothing today and take and focus on the fishing.
I know but I blame no video, you know.
For that, me focus on the fishing and no video nothing.
But I blame no video.
Cause you catch couple plur ready and come here. Left who you down so and come here, boss.
So you see, I wouldn't want to do licking, you know. Watch out, so what? When you lick, you know, remember I Fox you lick, I know me, you know. You understand me, I say?
I'm fire shot in the bungle, man. I'm fire shot in the bungle.
Anybody catch? Yeah. Yeah.
There's a fire shot in the bungle, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what that means? Say, all you are getting licking in your ass, you know.
Well. Me the best man when they say, you know. I tell you an idea, you know. I know I'm not come first because I have to go busy with the video, but I'm not forwarding last. Sure that.
Fox, you know what I think of?
Think of that? The peeps. Right. Catch you, sir. Mine I pick this, you know, fuck. Huh? Mine I pick this. So I go on peeps. Ram you are this one for you. You know? This is one me catch. I'm all catching up now. I'm on. You know what I'm saying? No, that's some big one I go do this. Boom, ball upon the ugly crab at it.
Tree black crab.
Tree. I run up on them. You want no place. Head out of waters now, you know? I find them, Randy. You find a pan full now? Yeah, man, people excited and out again for another adventure. You see what I say? Yeah, man, we're outside, man. People, we are near to 5,000 subscribers. So as you jump on the video, you just hit the subscription button, same speed, you know? Yeah man, make it happen. Yeah man. Father Steve, bless up yourself, man. Yeah man. No joke about it. Viewers from yard and abroad. You don't know the thing come down, though. Outside of that today. 4 away out here. DJ Wicked Vlogs up on him way. So you know, so madness look more, is it? When he check in, say so I grab up some shrimp and touch down. So we out here, man. We out here, man. See the general lane I left on here, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, old killer. Yeah, man, I look upon him. Wonder if I go on with nothing today. Don't know. Yeah, man. So look what I go on now, peeps, is it? Yeah, man, peeps, so we don't water, you know, you know. See me? Oh, yeah, fox there, so. Randy down here under, so. See it? So, we test them, you know what I mean? So, just go and keep it locked, man. Yard and abroad, man, I love, you know? Yeah. Johnny, they're way up, so, you know? Say Firefox, I second one that. You know, make the nice the first one, you know. You know how I go on. Remember, I and Johnny at it, you know. I know we are here. Everything are dead today, you know. Hold him, Daddy Fox. Hold him. First Pinky for New Year's, my boss. Round of applause. First Pinky. Pop, 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 pop. Yo, first Pinky for New Year's, though.
Yeah, man, second time fishing for New Year, boy. First one is for New Year.
Oh, man, I have to go for my second one. Yeah, man, that one a fat. That one a fat too. Two.
As in say, more left, you know, guys.
Yeah, man, that one a fat too.
Second boss say, man, go left.
Me nah bother left. Me nah bother left. Me nah bother left. You see it?
Who is that, people?
Oh, and Jamaica Lifestyle Black TV. You see me? Heart of love, you know, people. Yeah, man, peeps.
Fish.
So what go on?
Yes, the man.
But I'm first butter that for here, you know,
Yes,
peeps.
people.
Yeah, man.
No DJ Suki there in tune, so getting viewn.
Yeah, man, people. Butterfish,
Yes,
that, you know.
butterfish.
Yeah, man, the first one for the year, you know.
That is it.
Firefox, how about that? Fly, my fly, pilot. Yeah, man, peeps. Yo, Firefox, show the people let me snapper, cause look while the phone stuck. What? People, no see them beat me. Come on, my spot, come beat me. Look there.
I know, sir.
We a man, fat snapper boy, man, peeps. See him there? Hold on the fox. More you give people a man nice to pose with that snapper there, you know, cause probably tie thumbnail, you know. Hold him up by him gill. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, see it there? Man, beat me.
Yeah, man.
Congratulations to Fox.
Yes, man.
Him have the biggest snapper since the year start, you know. Yeah, man, switch it over there, so. People. You don't know, so we can check in Randy and Johnny up, so. You see me, we don't see them yet. So. So people, I chew out back my line now, you see it? Yeah, man, see my local catcher so far. Catch a nice little butterfish. You see me?
I big thing you cut in a two.
Yeah, man. Yes, wicked! Wicked! Yo! I want to get Jenny. I get a flow that. Yeah, me catch one ready here now. Get one ready and set him for Barra, but Barra not trouble him. Take him up, see how big him is. Flounders! Hold them, wicked! Oh, you mean, wicked!
If you never yet subscribe to Jamaica Lifestyle Vlogs, oh gosh.
My man.
You need to do it, people. Yeah man, take him to a 7K guys. Yeah man, the man him wait to 5. And yes guys, he's doing it, you know guys, as you can see, you know man. Yeah man, and we out here people. So make it up now man. Yeah man, take the subscribe list up.
Alright then peeps. So remember, you know, go over and subscribe to Suki, you know. Brother this, you know. Always come give me a link peeps. Anytime. I know I'm not dropping a film place yet, but you know, when the time is right peeps. You see me? Yeah man. See me general over there so too.
One father fox.
One father fox man. Make him go a general, you know peeps. Yeah man, we are going to go up on a live and talk to you, because you know what thing going on. Our team are going to need a GoPro, you know, so. We are going to go up on a live and talk to you, so. Hold them Firefox. Hold them Wicked, you know.
See that?
Yeah man. Look how more we are going live Fox. Yeah man. Alright. People say journey forward down here, you know, peeps. In a malice, you know, I don't know how I go and feed all the hiding fish them. How I go and make you hide your fish them. What you catch? What you catch? Because I catch about 3 this, you know. And I don't count the pilot, you know. Bombard. 2. We don't count the pilot, so I lead you so far, man. So Randy I lead. Randy I lead. What? See Wicked there, you know, my brother, you know, man.
Fully.
Yeah.
Yes, the man. They are not all it, you know, people.
Yeah, man.
But with that man, bomb up truck. Yeah.
So Fox members are clean, we keep it clean, you know. No make ignorance. What, Johnny? Johnny? Who me say from where the man now talk about deduct no points when 2 pilot. 4 points at deduct, you know. 4 pilot. Yeah man, the man say, yo, no man. Are you a young man get 2 pilots since the year start, you know? Yo, people, I don't lie you peeps. I have to get up and go pro to catch the action peeps. You see me? Because right now, I can't fish now food in my hand peeps. I tell you the truth.
Yo.
I have to strap up on my head and, you know?
Take that, man. Take out my key.
You see me? Yeah man. Johnny! Hold up the string, make a crowd of people see it, man. How you move, sir? Stop treating the people them. They know you're made. Yeah. What? Crowd of people, Firefox again. Firefox. Yo, Johnny. Look what I come up in. Yeah. Yeah. Firefox. Junior, look at him. Yo. Butterfish. Expensive fish, you know, man.
Expensive fish.
Expensive fish, you know, man.
You're good at deal. Yes, the man.
Alright. So I'm here lead from butterfish into your start. I want that dropping on me. Yo, walk on there. Johnny, you should start the competition before you come and see you still, brother. A debt. What do you want something? Johnny! Pilot! Yeah! Hi! On my line. Hold on, I'm fine line. Yeah man, people, so I grab another one, you know man. Add to your collection, you know?
40 years I want to catch one, man.
So I go on.
Put him in there.
I now count pilot, you know, people. So this is 5, you know? 5 and counting, because I go for the next one, you know? So 5 and counting, peeps. Yeah man.
I'm going to catch 5 fish. DJ Wicked vlog last week, you know.
Randy! It's done, you know, man.
But they say me in
all, we don't call it ninja over there, so face mask up from head to toe. You not rush him. Yeah, man, peeps, you outside, man. See me? DJ's Wicked, man. You want to go over in channel, go subscribe, is it?
Just subscribe and keep the thing going. You know, we're on the road to 10K. Yes, man. So just let the thing happen, people. Today, man, I leave. That's it.
Yeah, man. I remember, you know, Facts Cooking channel that come soon, you know. You see me?
Master Chef.
Master Chef, you know. Coming soon. Bring them up, make a crowd of people see them. Yeah, man. Fly my fly paint. You out of competition for the end of people. You know, no points, you know. In the boat, in catch about 10 of them, there's a 20 deduct him there, you know. You see me? In the pan negative. Yo, Fox, make sure you're not none in your bag. So throw them away. Alright, because you're about 8, you know. 3. Yeah, peeps! Wicked! Second one, this my boss.
Yeah, second one, you know.
That is a blue runner. That not too big, man. I set bigger. So if you set guard on him, man, I'm barren, I'm guard.
You could have been.
I set him, man.
So guys then say them all set up.
I set him for me barrel line.
So we are set.
You see me? Yo, come on nearly dash a fish, brother.
The case I put him.
One Wicked!
Yes!
Strike!
Active
Yeah,
people,
man,
you
brother
know.
and people no go over him channel, go subscribe, you know, man. Please,
That is it.
give him the love.
You know?
I mean, not do it, me not tell him something, he say no.
Yeah.
Just subscribe and bless up the Dan. You see me? Cause my brother from another mother, you
That
see
is
it?
it, people, man.
You
That
get
is
what me
it,
I
you
say?
see me?
So you don't know. Randy over there, so my brother see him where. You see me? Yeah, man, one team, you know, people. The team them so good, man. We so alright. You want to say what's up? Man, hold him! Hold him! Hold him! Randy! Randy, Barra! 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 What box them up there, sir? What box them up there, sir? Yo! Randy!
I ain't tell him from his
You want
sister,
to give
man.
the boy
You
soup?
have to get rid of him, you know. We don't, if you don't get rid of him, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See, the fish them are going to start biting now, you know. Yeah, man.
You have to get rid of him, man. From him, get it? You have to get rid of him.
Yeah, man. We just call Randy name, man. He only saw us up fishing, man. We have a problem.
When you bless, you bless.
But people, you walk now. You see what me I go do?
Get rid of him and catch a fish and look.
Me I go sit there, me I go set the blue run here
That's why
before.
I tell you, say, man, I have to get
You know? So you walk now, peeps. Heart of love and blessing. Randy them out here. Shunta and Fox up this and mash him up.
Here we are.
DJ's Wicked there, so you know what I mean?
Let me see me.
So love and respect, you know, peeps.
Chop
What you say, my boss?
We got chop up, man.
So people, you see it now that me they tell you no me can't forward last, you know, so first man run, dead.
Never do that crime, man. You see it?
Alright, so here walk now. Like Wicked there fourth, Fox there first.
on night
Me
beat.
and Randy are back up for second, you know.
Yeah. And Rick's on night beat. I'll come back out there on night. You see it?
So-
Real activity can go on. You see it?
Alright then, my boss, so bless up yourself and guidance, you know.
Yeah, man. Look at me. There.
So view and subscribe at a June time I cut, you know. So you don't know.
Yourself till next time, man. You see it?
Yeah, man. So you up to the next 4 of them, you know, win. With a deal. Fireman!
Yo,
Emmanuel, your whip gone!
have you things in the ground?
Emmanuel, your whip gone in a Firefox! Alright, then we are catch them on camera and make you see them. Man, then see if you left to crab them, Johnny.
Hey, grab them there.
Sprat 2 years so you have in your back there, you know. Sprat, you know. Where's Sprat then there? Alright, my boss. Yeah, man, we're outside, man. You see it, peeps. DJ Wicked, Firefox and Randy over there. You see me?
Active out there, peeps. That's it.
Yeah, man, Father Fox.
Father Fox.
Doctor.
Get you, man.
I tie up.
Fish. Tie up, man.
Tie up, man.
Right now, inside and get it.
So me not tell us how tie up, man.
Tie up, man. See, I pick my feet, man, I'm a chicken. Father Fox and I told me skill my chicken on the side, man, I'm trying to.
Yeah, man.
Don't skill, man. That's true, that's skill. Check. Decent chicken on the side, boy. I'm going to lay down. Boy, I think me say, man, I feel like I one of them big warning there, man.
Fox. I had the man for last year, I had the man for this year too. Huh? Eh? Me like him as look some bait and something. And buck no back. Hold him, Wicked, you hold him. You hold him, Wicked. You hold him, my boss. Take him up. Him big enough, Wicked. Don't make him drop enough, Wicked. Hold him.
Jack and him get the jack, you know.
Draw him overboard, man.
The jack and him get the jack.
Wicked.
One more, baby.
Wicked.
Yeah. Feel, you know.
Oh, you mean?
That is it.
You mean?
Yeah.
Wicked.
That's a bad look.
Why? Where you flowing that set?
Indeed, man.
Jesus Almighty, Wicked.
You could have deal. Evening catch.
You
See that.
Yeah?
That's it, you know.
Aye. Randy, man, no ma be too bad now, sir. How you think looks so now, sir?
But I don't know foolish.
You say Virgin? Virgin, me no say. Or a blue parrot? Yo, Wicked, let me see what go on there, sir. Randy, hold him up like the people and say it.
Yeah, guys, you drop off there.
Ah, Randy!
That feeling.
A silent killer. Conga Tony. Man a shine. Yeah. Yeah, my father. Good luck, man. Good luck, my father. When you done a show where people them you catch them crown your king. Eh? Jaja know. Where's that? Then small? Small? Star boy, you know, man. I him a mash up the evening. The guard of the back of him? What? Virgin! Ah! Virgin, my boss!
Yeah, man. No joke. The one lifestyle block the beats. Yes, no man.
Active, you know, man. Wicked! Wicked!
You see?
Him drop off?
She's supposed to over them, man. I see her.
It's Wicked. Make that look next time, man. All if a pilot.
You could have deal.
You could have deal.
You come to Portland if you don't catch none of these people.
You don't get your visa.
Well, I'm my first visa. From here I come, I make them tell you. First one.
Wow.
JJ come catch pilot before me.
Yo.
I say, ah!
And Johnny catch a bag of pilot, them and gone.
I want to make a man run gone that talk about say, the man say if anybody catch pilot lose points. I want to make a man run gone.
Where's this Wicked?
Yeah, man.
You hold him? Our pilot?
Yeah, man.
Jack! Yo! Yo, me da plan to give you two fish, me nah for bother. You're good here now.
A mom's on this.
You're good here now,
Yeah,
my father.
mom's
You're
on
good.
this.
You're good. The man catching, Randy!
Deal.
Oh, you stay around there, my father. Firefox, you know, if you go on to a boss, you know, you can't share, you know.
So me get your guys up the black back and see.
So, when we ready, man, we sit there, man. We tally up.
Well, me catch one parrot.
No, no, sir.
What we catch?
You don't have them skills there to catch parrot. You catch 2 jack and the flow on that.
Oh, 3 jack.
3 jack, and 2 jack out there so now. 2 jack the land now.
Yeah, man, they are going good.
So you catch 3 jack and a flow on that. So I'm not tell you say you go on good, man.
Great. Parrot data you can do, no?
Hold him, Suket. Yeah? Yeah, man, go and register your name, man.
And people, second pilot can be. You see, you think of something bigger, but you know, grateful same way.
You join the pilot, them sweet though.
Like a big fish.
Yo, listen, you can't say it again, my boy. I see you think I stop for that big boy.
See what I go on, no, man. Make you see what I make Johnny run, no, man. Yeah, move, sir. Johnny run, you know, man. Ice up his string, make you see what I go on, man. No, man, ice up his string, man. You want to see what I go on, you know. I'm going to tell you, I'm not forward first. But I know I'm not forward last. Yeah, man. Pull up his string, man.
You not show them how they can catch.
Yeah, man.
You don't shame to show them.
No, man, we want to see where Firefox go on with. Johnny run, you know.
This father fox catch.
Yeah, man, see the peeps. Johnny run when he see this.
Father fox catch.
Oh, man.
You put that deal.
That's wicked, come whip him, you know. Could it?
Imagine
Could
you
it?
come from morning people.
Johnny! Could it? Boy, I come third in a race, you know, peep. Because man, then cut up my fish, them and say, boy. See what I go on the peeps?
Yeah, man, I be a pilot, you know, people.
Be always pilot, you know, see big fish from my trig. Oh, there, boy. Pilot, what? Look there.
Better look for pilot, people.
So, no look on, oh, you no look on sitting there, up on Fox trig. Yeah, man, and see great Randy there. Hey.
I want me coming at the race. Let me forward.
About third, sir.
About third.
About third. So second, you strike.
I saw you go.
You strike second, you know, but when you cut up my fish, them and throw me out of the race, brother.
You can't count to cut up. I gone, you know, man.
Yeah, man, babes. Outside, man, until next time, man. Yard and abroad, man. Bless up on yourself and do the right thing. We're outside, we are doing it, you see it? Heart of love, man, and enough respect, man. See you upon the next video. Here, Firefox.